Earth was not a planet that existed from the beginning. It was born 4.6 billion years ago from a cloud of dust and gas left behind by the explosion of an ancient star. Cosmic particles collided, fused, and formed a molten sphere. Back then, Earth was hell, extreme heat, grounds on fire, toxic air, and for hundreds of millions of years after, it was relentlessly bombarded by falling asteroids. But inside those asteroids were ice, water, and amino acids, the building blocks of life. Then something strange happened deep under the ocean. Carbon molecules collided and connected, forming the first RNA. It could replicate itself. That was the first living organism on Earth. Not a fish, not a monkey, but a single-celled creature, smaller than a speck of dust. They lived, they died, they divided. Over hundreds of millions of years, they evolved into bacteria, algae, and life forms capable of producing oxygen. Because of them, Earth's atmosphere began to form. Around 3.5 billion years ago, the Earth gained air. Roughly 2 billion years later, the first multicellular organisms appeared. Then came insects, fish, plants, then vertebrates, then dinosaurs, and then humans. But make no mistake, humans did not descend from monkey. We are descendants of the same ancestor that evolved from single-celled bacteria. All living things on this planet are distant relatives of one another. No God created everything in 7 days. No miracle granted life. There was only stardust, time, and billions of years of trial, error, and evolution. And so Earth became the only place we know that harbors life. Before there was history, before there were humans, there were billions of years of fire, water, and life quietly rising from the ashes of stars. And that was the true beginning.